And look at this, guys, look at my wallet. It's actually generating. I can't believe it, guys. I have 1 million coins. What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I got unlimited coins for ReelShort, absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website, then type in search ReelShort and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we must enter our username. So let me enter mine quickly. Press connect to the server and let's wait a little bit. As you can see, user found. So the next step is select our coins amount. So I'll go to maximum. So let me click generate resources and let's see the next step. This is working perfectly on both Android and iOS devices, and believe me, this is the best working method for unlimited coins for ReelShort. Resources ready, just scroll down and click verify now and let's wait a little bit. And now, guys, we're on the anti-bot verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to launch free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaires. It's your choice. Just click here, click proceed, and to start downloading from the official publisher of the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download this Happy VPN and Pure VPN, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay, guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this task is complete success, redirecting almost done. So let's wait a little bit for this redirecting and let's see the next step. Injection successful, guys. Nice. If you have this message, that's it. So let me open my ReelShort and let's test, does it actually work? And look at this, guys, look at my wallet. It's actually generating. I can't believe it, guys. I have 1 million coins. Look at this. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.